Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I've got a haul of all these items that I've accumulated over the last, I guess like fortnight maybe. Some of them I ordered quite a while ago and had a little bit of trouble getting to my house, but I'm just going to go through all of this with you. I'm going to take everything out of the plastic and we'll get straight into it. So first things first is this order from Lily and Lion. This little package has had a journey, I think probably to Victoria and then back to like maybe Perth or Queensland, but it's finally here and I'm so happy to be able to show you guys. So first off, this is a cute little note that I get Sian, I think that's how you say her name, threw in, and this is the Hobonichi kit album. So I purchased this in the really pretty I guess just like a leaf design, and then inside it has a ton of pockets, perfect for fitting Hobonichi Weeks kits. Now this doesn't fit every single store. So this one here first, I'll show you the ones that I purchased from Lily and Lion. So I have this one here. I'm pretty sure that one is called Botanical. I'm not 100% on what this one is called. They're just 2-page kits, but you can see that the GP Studio kits fit in there. Same with Jessica Kate Planning. This one's mostly just leftovers. I've got some Marshmallow Studio, and that's just another Jessica Kate Planning monthly kit, so I definitely want to keep that for all the month like script stickers in there. The only one I ran into some problems with was the Stella Beau Sticker Co like functional sheets, because they're quite wide anyway, but the Mockery single sheet kits, but that's a really easy fix honestly. Like they just slide in the back, and the way it's designed, they kind of like, I don't know, I feel like they're not going to go anywhere too far. So that is my first purchase. I'm not sure if these albums are still available on the Lily and Lion store. I think they were limited quantities, but I really like it. It's definitely, I don't know, I really like floral and like foliage designs. Is very up my alley, so I really love this. There's also a little sampler with the order. I really love this midliner sticker, lots of little tiny icons, perfect for your Hobonichi, and some flat lays and things like that as well. And then I couldn't help myself, I had to pick up a sheet of these planner cart or Raskog, I think that's what it's called, stickers here. I do use a cart, it's just from Kmart. I want to get an IKEA one like the real deal, but these will do for now. You get the idea. Next up, I have a little $2 Tuesday order from Stella Beau Sticker Co. So she had a $2 Tuesday on a lot of the flat lay stickers. So I picked up a few sheets, and it actually came with a sampler with some extra ones as well. So there's a little cleaning one and a planning time one there as well. Then for the actual sheets, I purchased this like film plan with me one. I really like these. It's very subtle like color differences, but I really like these pastel colors. I feel like they match like kits and things that I use very well. I got this little like chopping vegetables or food prep one, this baking one, and then this one, which I think very multi-purpose. It's just, I'm thinking study, but it could be work, like it could just be like admin, things like that. So I really like this one as well. So I'm very interested to see if I will use these. I think they were all $2 except for like the food prep one. But I've seen a lot of other stores come out with these since as well. I think Wednesday Planning has some of these with very similar artwork, but I just wanted to see if I would use them, I guess. I had a sheet of like planning time ones from Marshmallow Studio, but they were a bit taller, so I haven't used them just because, I don't know, I don't want to take up too much space on my weekly inserts and everything like that, but definitely hoping to give these a go in next week's spread. Then here I have an order. It was wrapped up so nicely from May Paper Co. These are some inserts that I custom ordered. May was nice enough to create them for me, and I ordered them on, I think it was like a Friday morning, and by lunchtime she'd already shipped them. So a really, really amazing fast turnaround. I just got the thin, I think it's grey or stone color inserts with the top tab. So with my planner, obviously it's a B6 size, but I use B6 wide inserts. So by the time you have the inserts and then a tab, they get a bit squished with the clip. So I opted for the top tabs instead. So I will just have monthly, weekly, and then maybe notes or something like that. I tend to keep all my planner related stuff in that third tab. So whether I put planner on there, I'm not entirely sure yet. Now, she'd also give me a cute little note, so your wish is my command, which I thought was very funny. And there's two really cute little, it's like a business card, but you could use these in your pockets. this one's obviously her business card, but you could write on the back of this one and that would look really cute in your planner pockets as well. So I'm very excited for these. I know it's not like a boring purchase, but probably more practical. And I'm really happy I finally bit the bullet and ordered them. I did use a discount code. I think it's just the one that May has listed on the Instagram page. I'll double check it. I'm pretty sure it's like Insta 10 or Insta Family 10 or something like that. Next up, I have some washi. So these ones I ordered from AliExpress. So ordered them a long time ago. You guys probably know the deal with that. These first two are just really thin ones. This has like a hollow sprinkle on it. And this one's like a rose gold, kind of like a cracked washi. I really like using these under the date covers just across the whole week. So I wanted some more really thin washi like that. Then with these ones, I just really like the foiled design. So they're a bit more like abstract, I guess. This one's almost more of like a, I don't know, like a brushed or something. I'm not sure. And then this one is a bit more like geometric, I guess, with the circles and the lines and everything like that. So just a bit different patterned, but nothing too, like no print or anything as such. These ones here, I really liked their little gingham, is it gingham? Patterns. I thought this one, I don't know, I really liked it. I thought it could be good for Christmas time. And then this one, I just really liked the colors on that, kind of like that purpley red with the gold foil as well. The only thing with these is that they are not, I don't know if it's still technically a washi tape. So I've just done that so that it will stick down, but you can see they actually have a backing on them. So it doesn't really bother me too much. It's more just annoying if you cut it and then the roll kind of like unravels with the rest of your rolls and it turns into a bit of a mess. But they both have a backing on them, whether that's an issue for you or not. For me, not really. I mean, I use the glitter tape from Kiki K that has that clear backing anyway, and I don't really run into any dramas with that. And then finally, I ordered a few kits from Simply a Mess, which is a Canadian sticker store, and I'm not sure her name, but she has a lot of kits to start with, but the layout of the mini kit or the essentials kit is perfect for the way I plan. So that's her, ooh, nice and foiled. That's her card there. This was a little freebie that we got. So got the little French press and some coffee. I really like these kinds of coffee icons, so I'll definitely use those. Then I picked up 3 kits. So this one here is a travel kit. I think it's called Wanderlust. Oh no, World Traveler. It's so convenient when it says what the kit is called up there. So here are the full boxes. And this is just like a nicer version of like a regular matte paper, if that makes any sense. So it's not like super papery, but I wouldn't say it's like premium matte and obviously like not glossy. Then you've got lots of decorative stickers, a weekend banner, which I don't really use those, but I don't know, maybe one day. Some checklists and everything like that. You've got a little movie marquee. Here you've got some headers and some boxes, which I don't know, I feel like I'm using less boxes now. And then here you've got your habit trackers, washi strips, some little flags, and a weekly checklist as well. So that is, I mean, I haven't used one of her kits yet, but I would say that's probably like everything I would need, and I'll probably still have leftovers, but I won't feel like I'm missing out on anything in that kit. So I'm saving this one for closer to the end of the year when I go on a big holiday in October. So I'll be using that kit then. This one here, I've seen this clipper at a lot of different stores. I think Planner Girl Problems uses it. I mean, I've seen it like everywhere, both overseas and US Etsy stores. So same format across as well. So all your full boxes. There we go. Decorative stickers, weekend banner and everything like that. Your boxes and your headers. And then the washi and the habit trackers and everything like that as well. I really like this bottom washi. I struggle a little bit when there's quotes or things like that on the washi because I do trim it down. I just like making sure that it's something that if I cut it, it's not going to look funny. And then the final kit, I'll actually be using this next week, so I thought I better haul it for you guys. This is like a back to school, I feel like it's like an autumn back to school, but I don't know, there's jumpers. It's cold in Melbourne at the moment and I'm back to uni next week. So going to be using this kit. So I have all of the full boxes, which I really like these colors. And I don't know, I'm feeling okay about this combo as well. So we'll see what happens when I actually get around to planning. All of the decorative stickers, which because these are all back to school, I feel like they can be more like a functional icon for me versus just decorative. All the boxes and headers. Now, I don't think I've used any rounded boxes in my planner yet, but we will see. We'll see how that goes. And then the washi and the habit trackers and everything like that. I think this is nice washi. I don't know that it's like, I don't know, super matching to the rest of the kit, but I'll see how I go. As I said, I kind of like this one to go with it anyway, and I'll see what else I have in my stash. But that is it from me. That is my little, not so little haul of things I've picked up over the last few weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching everything that I've bought, and let me know what your favorite item is out of everything that I purchased. For me, I don't know, I feel like it'll be a toss-up between the album and the tabs. They've got to be the two things I've been like probably putting off purchasing the longest, and was just so excited for them to come. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.